All right, Richard, tell us your woes.
I've got a bit of back pain. It's been ongoing since last year, but I had a re-aggravated it yesterday.
All right, so re-aggravated. So it's nice and fresh for us. Here's your patient, guys. Questions, quickly. What do we want to ask him? What'd you do?
I played basketball. I did basketball.
Yeah, more relevant question then.
What were you doing in the game?
Exactly.
So I landed quite forcefully on my right foot, and then I just felt the pain shoot straight up.
All right, so the mechanism of injury is really, really important. Land forcefully on the right leg, pain should jar up into the system, and that's consistent with the way he's standing right now, yeah? Can you see the way he's standing? And we take that all in a postural assessment, which towards your toes, go as far as feels comfortable, and come and go, that hurts. I said, as far as feels comfortable, you know, that hurts you here or down there. Okay, so we'll take your shirt off if you don't mind. You guys, you've done this like first. Come on. I hope you're over it by now. You're going to use it on real patients. You're going to get not so excited about it. Bend backwards for me. Does that hurt?
No.
All right. So what's really interesting is that he's actually compensated a lot for his problem. So I'll get you to turn to these guys. I'm not sure if you can see the way he's standing, but he's actually, there's got a little bit of a curve, and then can you see his neck's not straight? His head off to one side. So my next question to you is, do you have some neck problems you want to confess to? All right, because if he keeps this up at some stage, he's going to get insidious neck problems. 2 out of 10, and that's all the time, yeah, constant 2 out of 10, and it gets to?
It gets up to a 6.
Can get up to it. And down, and the other side. What's the effort on each side?
The left was a bit more active than the right, so this was a 2.
2, and this was a?
That was 1.
2 and a 1. So what happens is the strategy, now you assumed that it would be harder on this side, but this was 1 and this was 2. Now this is important to me because this back affects both legs. He's just noticing the symptom in one leg. Yeah? We've got to be careful in trying to get his back better. I don't make the other side worse, because right now the strategy is actually harder tissue here. Now I want to be very mindful that what I'm doing in terms of my Pilates training, what I'm doing in terms of my kinesiotherapy, what I'm doing in terms of soft tissue work is basically soft tissue, all right? I'm not going to compress joints because my soft tissue, my muscles can't do that level of compression if I press too hard. So all I'm going to do is gather Richard's skin basically and tension up the system as muscles would, yeah? So you'll notice when I glide this, I'm not doing a SIJ testing here, I'm just gliding tissue. Now you lift up your leg and tell me if that's better. Is that a 0? That's a 0. And then lift the other leg.
That's still not.
That's still a 2? Yeah, don't try to give me good answers. It was easier. All right, are we 0, 0? 0, 0. All right, so is there anything there? No. No effort at all. We went from 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5, now we're down to 0 on both. All right, get you to stand up now, Richie. How's your back pain right now? Nothing. That's a good answer. There's some latent stuff still hanging over. 0 or still, all right, nothing now. And that was just that last bit of taping there for his multifidus. So my home program is going to be his retraining multifidus, and lengthening out glutes and retraining his neck. That is my Pilates program. It integrates the whole body. I obviously then need to change the way he's been talking to his body, which has been standing on one side, holding his head to one side. Because if I don't change that, can you see how that old habit can bring him back? Yeah, he's been living and moving this way for such a long period. I can treat things, but if I don't retrain his system, the old habits will come